Rainy day outfit! Hi, I'm AJ, and this is what my outfit looks like. For my top, I have a long sleeve shirt on to keep me warm. It's purple and it says True Love. So for cold weather, any warm clothes will do. Mine is from Terra Nova Kids. Okay, so for my pants, I have a stretchable leggings on to keep my legs comfy and warm, and it's pink too. For my shoes, I have a pair of Converse on. Love it! To avoid getting wet and to add more warmth, I have this long sleeve waterproof jacket on. So there you have it, my rainy day outfit. Stay tuned for my old